It's Cheesy Bros Toys.
Hi everybody, Stuart here, or Spinnin' Stu as we like to call him, because Stuart is a top, has been bugging me for a while now to do his own fidget spinner challenge, haven't you, Stu? And Stuart thinks he can spin longer than a fidget spinner. I don't think so, but Stuart thinks he can, don't you, Stuart? And so what we're going to do here is we are going to see who can spin the furthest. So we're even going to give the fidget spinner a head start because I only have two hands. So we're gonna get Stuart ready, and here we go, the fidget spinner challenge. I think he's going to end up taking out one of his friends. Oh, he's already wobbling. Oh boy. One minion down. Oh. Oh. Stuart. The fidget spinner is still going strong. You okay, Stuart? I think we'll try 2 out of 3. Let's try 2 out of 3. Stuart, you didn't do so well. The fidget spinner is still spinning from the first time.
Yeah.
But you want to try again? Okay. It's still spinning. Okay, let's try one more time. Alright, let's try one more time. Alright, I think we got it. It clicked. And we'll start the spinner again. And here he goes. Oh boy, he's moving this time. Oh, Stu. Number 2, you're not going to make it. He's going way off track. Oh boy. He didn't make it. Stuart, that did not turn out well for number 2. The fidget spinner's still spinning. I know. You want to try one more time? 2 out of 3? Alright. Alright, are you sure you're ready for this? Alright, let's try one more time. Crank it up. Really crank it. Oh, that's too far, but let's do it. And one more time. Oh boy. Stuart is not going to make it. Okay, let's do one more just for fun. Here, let's try. Come on, Stu, you can do it. Uh-oh. He's a wobbling. He's wobbling. Oh no. I think it's safe to say that the undisputed spinner winner is the fidget spinner. Well, Stu, I think it's safe to say that the fidget spinner has won the fidget spinner challenge, wouldn't you say? Oh, what are you doing? You taking our fidget spinner? Oh, I knew it. He just wanted our fidget spinner, didn't you? Okay, well, you can have it. But if you're going to take our fidget spinner, you got to do one more spin for us, okay? Now let's see how many minions stay standing. Here he goes. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, he's not even talking. Oh, he's getting close. Oh. Well, there's two. Come on, Stu. It's Stu bowling. Here he goes. That's it? Just two? Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Cheesy Bros Toys channel so you can see all of our cool videos. You can even click on another cool video right there. And there, and there, and there. I think you're gonna like them. And don't forget to
Give us a like.
have a great day.